everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to another episode of Saminias Shopness channel. And today I will be showing you how to draw a different bird than the last one. Now let's do a little bit of flashback. Now, do you remember in my all of episodes I taught you how to draw a bird? So now let's try to be more creative, a different bird, that's what I mean. So should we do it, friends? Well, let's do it. Let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Get ready with the papers and pencils. Now let's start by a circle. Like this. Should we give the eye? Let's give the eye one circle, and the rest of them goes here. Now I need you to give an oval like this. Like this, an oval. Now let's fix this just like I said. Now I need you to give another oval, but half this time. Half. Like this. Finish. I need you to take an eraser, and the most important part is erase this. So now let's give this part. Whoops. Another. Then the last final one. Now that we are done, now let's give this, and this. Should we give another one? And I think we are done with this. Now let's give here while, a bit of that, and a bit of this. And I think we are finally done. Finish with the mouth. Now let's give here. Finish. Now let's here, a big one, another big one, then another last big one, and I think we are done. Now let's give this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like this. Now I need you to erase here like this. Finish. And now it was here in the last time, so I gave it just low because of this. Now let's not talk about it and get into the wing designs. First, give straight lines like this, big to small. Now give kind of like this. And now more, and I think we are done. Finish. Now let's give the legs. Here, like this, and like this. Now I need you to take your eraser and erase here. Another important part. We also have to erase right here, and also same as like this here. And I think we are finally done. Now take your pencil again and give that to me. Like this. Another wood. This. Let's give 3 here. And 1 more here. And now let's give the V's here and here. And I think we are done. Okay, everyone, now let's give the lips. This and this. Now this, 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 this and this. Saffron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves. Now let's give this a while. Now this is a branch. Now this, this. Saffron a little wobbly at the end. Now this, then this. Now let's give this one like this and this. I'm giving wobbly at the end. See? Time for marker. Here is it. Open it. Let's do the eyes. This. Finish. Now let's do the V's. We are doing the lips. Don't do this line. Just the out. And I think we are done with this marker. So now, erasing time. Erasing time is done. Take the green water pen, put into the lips. This one and this one. Done. Now take this color and put it here. Okay, this is our last leaf. And I think we are done with this. Now let's keep it. Take the red, put it here. And I think we are finally done. Take these 3 colors. So now take this color and put it here. To the eye. Done. Take this. Put it here, here, here. Now take this. Okay, I took a border pen too. And I need you to be careful when you are doing this. Now done. Now we should take the red shade. Okay, take the very, very dark red, which is this. Put it here on like this. Finish. Now I did a style here. So pay attention like this. Now let's take out the red. Same as the style. Saffron combination. Take the dark orange like this. Leave a little white here, here, here. Take this. Put it here, here, here. Now take this. Here, here, here. Yellow. In the last pieces they go. Now let's give yellow here, 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 everywhere. What a fantastic combination. See everyone? Easy and done. Take out all these colors. Take the purple. Now try to put it here. We'll mix this later. Finish. Lavender. People finish. Dark pink. Finish. Take this. It's after dark pink. Finish. Light pink. Let's mix. Take out these three colors. This is the darkest one. So let's pick it. Now I need you to put it here. Here. Some of the holes. And we're done. Now take out this. Now take this. Put it here. Take the full brown shade. Now it is for the tree. So take this, the darkest one. Take out this. We didn't actually give it. That's why we don't have the full brown shade. Take this. Put it here. Take this. Put it here. Finish it off with this. And finish. Just like this. See everyone, how beautiful is this? Okay everyone, I hope you like this video. And if you want to check out more new videos from my channel, be sure to subscribe right in the below and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone. See you later. Here's my bar.